was cleaning and prepping my 6-piece cook set for the upcoming camping trip, I found a problem. And this is, mind you, this is supposed to be an all stainless steel cook set. It has a detachable handle that can transfer between the skillet, the pot, and the 3 different pots. The cook set is 1 large pot, 2 smaller pots. The 2 smaller pots have lids, so that's 5 pieces, and then the skillet is a lid as well for the big pot. So there's your 6 pieces. The handle doesn't count as a separate piece. It's a removable, lockable handle. The handle uses a carriage bolt and wing nut to lock itself down, and I gotta show you where they goofed. Well, for being all stainless steel, that's got an awful lot of iron oxide in it. And one of the wings of that wing nut failed. So I went to Home Depot, got some stainless steel pieces, got a nice 1/4-20 stainless steel wing nut. Unfortunately, the carriage bolt, it's 1/4-20. The head's a little bigger, but it fits in the slot. But look at how much longer that is. That is just unacceptable. I'm going to have to abbreviate this one. So to shorten that screw, I need to mark the new one right at where I want to cut it off. And I'm thinking right here. You can see the red mark. Now, I've got to get this thing in to where I can actually work on it and hold it steady. So I'm going to use the handle to hold it still. It'll stick up far enough away from the body of the handle or I'm not worried about damaging it. But I'm going to take the back piece off and I'm going to use the old wing nut in case I bump into the wing nut and sacrifice it. So, actually I've got to have that back piece on there. Alright, because I need more space for that, the base of the carriage bolt. So let's just spin that on. Now I'm probably going to go, really I just want this where it's not sticking so far past the wing nut. So I'm probably just going to cut it flush with the wing nut and then grind it smooth so that the wing nut can pass back and forth on it. So let's put it in the vise and get to work. It should be noted that in this case, Dremel is a brand name, and I'm using the term Dremel generically for the type of tool. It's a rotary tool. The one in particular I'm using is a Black & Decker RTX. It's a multi-speed tool. Low, medium, and high ranges. We're going to start off with low and see how that works. I am wearing eye protection. You should always wear eye protection when working with tools, anything that cuts, grinds, that sort of thing. Okay, I'm going to turn the speed up to medium. Alright, we've come free. Next, I'm going to trade out that cutting wheel for a grinding stone. and I'm going to dress the edges of that screw. With a stone. More or less using the same technique. Alright, let's try her out. Okay. Perfect. Okay. There we go. Now that's ready to be packed back up, and I'm ready to go camping, and I'm never going to have to worry about that rusting out again. Okay, well, this has been Dave, otherwise known as Outdoor Dave with Wildersport Outdoors. And make sure your gear's in good shape. Get out there, find your own road less traveled. I'll talk to you later. If you like my videos, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to go back into the old catalog by clicking my channel and then clicking on the videos link. There's lots of decent stuff back there you may be interested in. And like I always say to you folks, be busy, be productive, be safe, but most of all, be blessed. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.